Introduction to AWS Amplify GraphQL API. AWS Amplify is a development platform provided by Amazon Web Services that helps developers build scalable and secure applications with ease. One of the key features of AWS Amplify is its support for GraphQL APIs. In this tutorial, we will explore what AWS Amplify GraphQL API is and how it can be used to build robust and flexible APIs. What is GraphQL? Before diving into AWS Amplify GraphQL API, it is essential to understand what GraphQL is. GraphQL is a query language for APIs that allows clients to specify exactly what data they need and receive only that data in response. This approach reduces the amount of data transferred over the network and makes APIs more efficient. Key concepts of AWS Amplify GraphQL API. AWS Amplify GraphQL API provides a set of tools and features that make it easy to build and deploy GraphQL APIs. Some of the key concepts of AWS Amplify GraphQL API include schema definition, data modeling, and resolvers. The schema definition is used to define the structure of the data. Data modeling is used to define the relationships between different data entities. And resolvers are used to fetch data from the underlying data sources. Practical example of AWS Amplify GraphQL API. To illustrate the concept of AWS Amplify GraphQL API, let us consider a simple example. Suppose we are building a blog application that needs to retrieve a list of blog posts and their corresponding authors. We can define a GraphQL schema that includes types for blog posts and authors and use resolvers to fetch the data from the underlying database. Best practices for using AWS Amplify GraphQL API. To get the most out of AWS Amplify GraphQL API, it is essential to follow best practices. Some of the best practices include keeping the schema definition simple and intuitive, using data modeling to define relationships between data entities, and optimizing resolvers for performance. Additionally, it is essential to use authentication and authorization mechanisms to secure the API and protect sensitive data. Conclusion. In conclusion, AWS Amplify GraphQL API is a powerful tool for building robust and flexible APIs. By understanding the key concepts of GraphQL and AWS Amplify GraphQL API and following best practices, developers can build scalable and secure applications with ease. With its support for schema definition, data modeling, and resolvers, AWS Amplify GraphQL API provides a comprehensive solution for building GraphQL APIs.